After much struggles, our soaking tub is in here and it's level.
But it was actually Linda who told us to give it another go and re-angle it and try to get it down.
Yeah, we were real stuck. The tub was stuck like this against the wall because...
And this tub's it's like a Delta 400. It's like $250 or $60 at Home Depot. Anyways, it's one of their top sellers. If not, we were going with like a $400-something one, but they had a special order. They don't have those in stock. But the bad thing about this, like I put a support bar here for like any support of this Bose, like a hair for the tile wall that we put up. But this flange here is like, it just has like a piece of styrofoam here and then like this plastic piece that's like...
See, that keeps it from pushing in, but in the corner it has no support so you can push it.
Yeah, so like here is somewhat firmer, but over here is not. And we'll still screw it into these, but since there's access right there, there might be something that I can put as like a support to keep it from being... But basically you don't want to ever knee this too hard because it's pretty... Yeah. But good thing I had the plumbing lined up here. We did the measurements right, so all I gotta do is put a sealant around the metal flange that screws in and it's good to go. It's all lined up.
Gucci!
So I'm sure Lauren has told you that we're working on the bathroom. I think she sent y'all some videos and stuff, but I'm gonna give y'all one more glimpse of it because my friend Amos is coming over and we're gonna take care of securing the tub and putting up the walls, and hopefully we're gonna get the tiling today. He's gonna teach me so I will be able to do it in the future. So we'll take a quick look real quick so y'all can stay tuned for a finished product. Ooh. So I covered it up with a drop cloth. They had cut that in from the previous owners. I'm gonna have him double check everything because he's licensed and see if we need to change anything or adjust it. And then we'll put the drywall up and then start doing the tiling.
Ready for Chelsea, Katie, and Laura.